When I was director of operations for one of the largest United States food service and full service chains in the country, one of the assistant managers approached me in one of my store visits, and he thanked me for having repaired a piece of equipment from the restaurant. And I was surprised. I said, of course, we always have to maintain the equipment in good conditions. And he said, you know, I come from another restaurant where the owner wouldn't fix the equipment, and that is why I left. So one of the things that made me realize that, wow, so one of the things that also affect turnover that I hadn't thought about it until that day is the equipment in good working condition. So check your equipment and make sure that it is in good working condition, not only so that you can have great product and food safety, but also so that you can keep your great employees a lot longer. That's it for now. Till next time.